Research developments in feminist communication theory. So what is feminist communication theory? The definition and identity of the categories of feminist communication study is newly problematic. Early feminist research has now been criticized for the white, Western, middle class, and heterosexualist biases. Today, feminists tend to focus on how these categories are deployed to impose order on a chaotic reality. Feminism, difference, and identity. Rita Felsky notes, female difference in the age of postmodernism has fragmented the era of seeking female essence which has passed. Feminist media studies now do not search for the sources of equality, instead it focuses on incorporating the acknowledgement of difference. Ang highlights that white females have celebrated Madonna as a postmodern symbol of resistance femininity. She juxtaposes this with argument that Madonna is only feminist figure from a white perspective. Felsky critiques Ang's extreme conclusions from this example and says both readings are shaped by overlapping conceptual frameworks and discursive regimes. Habermas sets out a very idealistic version of the way in which the public debate took place in certain settings, among certain groups, as bourgeois society developed. The legacy of work on the public sphere continues to be enormous in the influence it exerts on feminist work about the mass media, their impact, and their audiences. New technologies and the body feminism at the postmodernist margins. The subject of technology has led to a variety of philosophical works connecting this issue to the dichotomy between the technological and natural, and the way our dichotomy thinking has been constructed culturally. Butler believes that sexual and gender identities, rather than being natural attributes of human beings, are constructed through the cultural performance of identities. This is known as the performance theory of gender. Donna Haraway demonstrates through the metaphor of the cyborg the artificially of the boundaries that can constitute our customary categories of gender, infused as they are with notions that some parts of human life are natural and others cultural. Stable argues that Haraway ignores the social and economic conditions which make popular the technomanic metaphor she writes about. In summary, there are three key points to be taken from this reading about feminism. Those are the differences, the public sphere, and new technologies and the body.